Welcome back to our Vital series where we explore the foundations and nuances of securing a prosperous future for the generations to come. In How to Use Estate Planning to Preserve Generational Wealth, Part 3, Estate Planning Basics, we delve into the core elements that make up the heart of effective generational wealth preservation. It's my pleasure to guide you through the crucial steps and strategies of estate planning. This episode serves as your roadmap through the legal landscapes and personal considerations that shape a well-crafted estate plan. Today we break down the fundamentals of estate planning. We'll start by understanding what estate planning really entails, and why it's not just for the wealthy or the elderly, but a vital process for anyone looking to secure their family's financial future. From the indispensable will, which lays the groundwork for your estate's future, to the nuanced uses of trusts that can provide protection and clarity for your assets, we'll cover the tools that are essential to forming a strong estate plan. But estate planning is not a solo journey. It involves collaboration with skilled professionals who can provide the expertise and guidance needed to tailor a plan that fits your unique situation. Today, we'll discuss how working with lawyers, financial advisors, and other professionals can enhance your estate planning process, ensuring that your generational wealth is preserved according to your wishes. Whether you're just starting to consider your legacy or are looking to refine your existing estate plan, this episode will provide you with the insights and motivation needed to take those crucial next steps. So let's embark on this important journey together, building the bridge between your wealth today and your family's prosperity tomorrow. Welcome to How to Use Estate Planning to Preserve Generational Wealth, Part 3. Let's dive into the basics and empower you to create a lasting legacy. Estate Planning Basics. Overview of estate planning. Estate planning is a comprehensive process that involves the management and distribution of an individual's assets upon their death or incapacitation. It goes beyond just creating a will, encompassing a range of legal strategies and tools to preserve and protect generational wealth. Estate planning allows individuals to dictate how their assets will be distributed, minimize tax liabilities, designate guardians for minor children, and plan for incapacity. Key components of estate planning include: 1. Will. A will is a legal document that outlines how an individual's assets will be distributed upon their death. It allows the individual to name beneficiaries, designate guardians for minor children, and specify any other wishes related to their estate. 2. Trusts. Trusts are legal entities that can hold assets on behalf of beneficiaries. They can be used to minimize estate taxes, avoid probate, and provide for the management of assets for minor children or individuals with special needs. 3. Powers of attorney. Powers of attorney are legal documents that designate individuals to make financial or healthcare decisions on behalf of the individual in the event of their incapacity. 4. Healthcare directives. Healthcare directives, such as living wills and healthcare proxies, outline an individual's wishes regarding medical treatment in the event they are unable to communicate their preferences. 5. Beneficiary designations. Beneficiary designations on accounts such as retirement plans, life insurance policies, and bank accounts dictate who will receive these assets upon the individual's death. 6. Estate tax planning. Estate planning also involves strategies to minimize estate taxes, which can significantly reduce the amount of wealth passed on to future generations if not properly managed. Overall, estate planning is a crucial process for individuals looking to preserve and protect their generational wealth, ensuring that their assets are distributed according to their wishes, and minimizing tax liabilities. By working with experienced estate planning professionals, individuals can create a comprehensive plan that meets their specific needs and goals. Importance of wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools. Wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools are essential components in preserving generational wealth and ensuring that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. These tools provide a clear roadmap for the distribution of your estate and help minimize complications and disputes among family members after your passing. Here are some key reasons why wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools are crucial. 1. Asset distribution. Wills and trusts allow you to specify how you want your assets to be distributed among your beneficiaries. Without a will or trust in place, your assets may be distributed according to state laws, which may not align with your wishes. 2. Minimize taxes. Estate planning tools such as trusts can help minimize estate taxes and maximize the amount of wealth that is passed on to your heirs. By strategically setting up trusts and other mechanisms, you can protect your assets from unnecessary tax burdens. 3. Protecting minor children. A will allows you to designate guardians for your minor children in the event of your passing. This ensures that your children will be cared for by individuals you trust and who share your values. 4. Avoiding probate. Proper estate planning can help your heirs avoid the lengthy and costly probate process. By setting up trusts and other tools, you can transfer assets to your beneficiaries outside of probate, saving time and money. 5. Asset protection. Trusts can also provide asset protection for your beneficiaries. By placing assets in a trust, you can shield them from creditors and other potential threats, ensuring that your wealth remains intact for future generations. 6. Business succession planning. Estate planning tools are essential for business owners looking to pass on their businesses to the next generation. Trusts and other mechanisms can help facilitate a smooth transition of ownership and ensure the continued success of the business. Wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools are critical for preserving generational wealth and ensuring that your assets are passed on according to your wishes. By taking the time to set up these mechanisms, you can protect your legacy and provide for your loved ones long after you are gone. Working with professionals such as lawyers and financial advisors. Working with professionals such as lawyers and financial advisors is a crucial aspect of estate planning to preserve generational wealth. These professionals play a key role in helping individuals and families navigate the complexities of estate planning and ensure that their wealth is protected and transferred according to their wishes. 1. Legal expertise. Lawyers specializing in estate planning are well versed in the laws and regulations governing wills, trusts, and estate administration. They can provide valuable guidance on creating and updating legal documents such as wills, trusts, and powers of attorney, to ensure that assets are distributed efficiently and in accordance with the law. 2. Tax planning. Financial advisors with expertise in estate planning can help individuals minimize tax liabilities and maximize the value of their estates for future generations. They can offer strategic advice on gifting strategies, charitable donations, and other tax-efficient methods to transfer wealth while reducing estate and gift taxes. 2. Asset protection. Professionals such as lawyers and financial advisors can also help individuals protect their assets from potential creditors, lawsuits, and other risks. They can assist in setting up trusts, limited liability entities, and other asset protection strategies to safeguard wealth for future generations. 4. Family dynamics. Estate planning often involves sensitive family dynamics and potential conflicts over inheritance. Lawyers and financial advisors can act as neutral third parties to mediate discussions, clarify intentions, and ensure that the estate plan reflects the desires of the individual or family while minimizing the risk of disputes among heirs. 5. Continued monitoring and updates. Estate planning is not a one-time event but a process that requires ongoing monitoring and updates to reflect changes in laws, family circumstances, and financial situations. Working with professionals ensures that the estate plan remains current and effective in preserving generational wealth over time. In conclusion, collaborating with experienced professionals such as lawyers and financial advisors is essential for effective estate planning to preserve generational wealth. Their expertise, guidance, and support can help individuals and families navigate the complexities of estate planning, minimize tax liabilities, protect assets, address family dynamics, and ensure that wealth is transferred according to their wishes. As we wrap up today's journey through the essentials of estate planning, it's important to remember that this process is a cornerstone in preserving generational wealth. Through careful planning, understanding, and utilizing the right tools and professional assistance, you can construct a robust strategy that ensures your legacy continues through your descendants. The steps we've covered today, from identifying your financial goals and establishing a clear vision, to understanding the importance and functionality of wills, trusts, and other estate planning tools, lay the groundwork for a future where your wealth does more than just exist. It empowers, educates, and embodies the values you cherish. But remember, estate planning is a dynamic process. As your life changes, so too will your estate planning needs. It's essential to regularly review and update your plans in collaboration with your trusted professionals. This proactive approach ensures that your legacy adapts alongside your evolving life and remains a true reflection of your wishes. If you're just starting this journey or looking to refine your existing plan, know that you're taking an important step towards securing a prosperous future for those you love. We encourage you not to delay. The peace of mind and security that come from a well-structured estate plan are invaluable. Thank you for joining us for How to Use Estate Planning to Preserve Generational Wealth, Part 3. Don't forget, this is a journey we're on together. If you have questions, thoughts, or stories to share, we would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, and if you found value in today's episode, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with those embarking on their own estate planning journey. Until next time, continue to strive for financial wisdom, nurture your legacy, and remember, the most enduring wealth is the one that benefits not just ourselves, but generations to come. Farewell, and I'll see you in the next video.